Barry's Animal Hospital. Farm animals go to hospital. Hi, welcome to Barry Hospital. I'm Dr. Barry. I wonder who will come today. Huh? Hi, Dr. Barry. Hello, Ambulance Angela. Someone got hurt. I think they need your help. The farm animals were going on vacation, but they got into an accident.
Ouch! Oh no, help!
Oh my! Let's bring the patients inside. The treatment is about to begin. Are you ready? Choose our patient today. Little duckling, what's bothering you?
Quack, quack, here's what happened. Going on vacation, quack, quack, quack. Ouch! Oh, it hurts.
Poor duckling, your wing got scraped. Let's work together to help her. First, we need to disinfect the wound. Which one should we use? Aha! Let's try this one.
Quack, quack. It looks so strange.
Oops! Sorry, this is chili water, not disinfectant. Does anyone know which bottle we should use? What? You say it's this one? Let's try it. Disinfection done. Now, let's stitch up the wound. The wound is stitched. Little duckling, you are so brave. Finally, we'll put pretty feathers around the wound. Yay! Treatment complete. Thank you, everyone. Choose our patient today. Little donkey, what's bothering you?
Hey, here's what happened. Going on vacation. Hey ha, hey ha. Ouch! Ah! Oh! Oh my goodness! It hurts!
Poor little donkey, your head got bumped badly. Oops! Let's quickly treat the little donkey. His head is smoking. Let's cool it down first.
Hey,
Let's apply some ointment to make the big bump on the head smaller. Oops, the bump is too big. Let's apply more ointment. Great, the big bump got smaller. Finally, let's choose a cool band-aid and stick it on the wound. Little donkey, which band-aid do you want to use?
Hee-haw! I like the one with grass patterns.
Yay! Treatment complete! Everyone did a great job! choose our patient today. Little piggy, what's bothering you?
Here's what happened. Going on vacation. Oink, oink, oink. Ouch! Oh no, help!
Poor piggy. There are many thorns on your body. Let's work together to help piggy. Oops, it's so dirty. We need to clean it first. Let's take the thorns out of the body. Piggy, it might hurt a little.
Ouch! My tail!
Oops, sorry, I made a mistake. Phew, all the thorns are out. Let's apply some ointment on the wound to make it heal faster.
I feel better now.
Finally, let's put a pretty band-aid on the wound.
Oink, oink, oink! It looks so cool!
Yay! Treatment complete! You did a great job! If you're happy, 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 dance with me.
Yoo-hoo!
If you're happy, 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 dance with me.
Yoo-hoo!
Are you feeling better now?
Yes, no pain
anymore.
La la la, let's laugh out loud. All done!
See you next time!